my channel. If you're new and you haven't seen one of my videos, that's just too bad. But my name is Vivian, and if you're into all things fashion, lifestyle, beauty, I just recently uploaded my Halloween makeup look. That was fun. If you're into all those things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Yes, I do have a little friend in here today. This is Elvis. Most of you know him already. So, hi Elvis. Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's just get into it. This is my Stitch Fix try-on and review. I've already tried everything on. I'll be trying on everything right here next to me like I always do. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of these items. First off the bat, I just want to say thank you to Michelle because I had requested coats. I even listed a couple specific coats. And then I listed a beige booty that I've been looking for. Unfortunately, or fortunately I guess, in my trunk I kept my booties from my last trunk. So the booties that she sent me I'm going to be sending back for that reason, and also because they were a little bit tight. So they were a little bit small on me. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to Michelle because she really listens. If you guys are not in Stitch Fix or just kind of thinking about getting into it, make sure you request Michelle as your stylist. I don't know if they take those requests and honor them all, but she's awesome. She looks at my Pinterest. She looks at my request board. She tries to fulfill my requests. She's awesome. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you want to know more about Stitch Fix, I do have my referral link below. Thanks to any of you guys who have signed up through my referral link. I appreciate that so much. But the referral link is below, and you can just go there to find out information. You don't have to sign up, but it gives you all the information about Stitch Fix if you're new. So let's just go ahead and start reading the note from Michelle. Hi Vivian, I'm so glad you loved some of the styles in your last fix. I can't wait for you to check out the items I'm sending this time. I know you wanted a fix full of coats and jackets. The shipping restricts too many bulky layers, so I'm sending a couple with some other fashionable finds. The Lemon Tart Faux Fur Jacket is that furry coat you're looking for. Super soft, has pockets, and it's just plain fun. I'm also sending the BB Dakota Plaid Jacket with removable fur trim. It's a longer style to ensure you stay warm. Since you also wanted a booty, I'm sending the MIA wedge booties. The wedge is ever so slight, giving you some height but not sacrificing comfort. Let me know which ones are your favorites. XO Michelle. Thank you again, Michelle. So let's just get started with this. At the end of the video, I will let you guys know what I decided to keep, if anything, and what I paid for the items. This is the Naily plaid wool blend jacket in tan, size medium, and this is $118. I don't think the price is horrible, but it is not lined. It's just FYI, which can be good and bad, which means you could probably wear it throughout the fall, probably through most of winter. Maybe on your really cold days you'd have to layer up with some sweaters and shirts underneath. But my biggest gripe with this jacket, and I know it seems really stupid, but the pocket opens this way. So to me it just looks odd when you, and I'm one to put my hands in my pockets quite a bit in the winter, so it just looks weird to me, and I gotta like open it this way to then put my hand in there. I know it seems stupid, but it's just weird to me. They should have had it open here where you can just slip in your hand. That is my biggest gripe, and it might seem trivial, but it bothers me. So second thing is the hood. I like the faux fur hood. I don't think it attaches the best, so it's a little bit flimsy, but I think overall though the print on this is just beautiful, very versatile. You could wear this with brown, gray, black. I don't think it matters. I think it looks really cute on. And here's the back. It's got options. You could wear it looser like this or cinch it in at the waist. You can even cinch in the bottom. So there are some good options, and if you live in a climate where it doesn't get super cold, I think this would be a great option because it's not lined. But I haven't quite decided on this one, but I don't think I'll be keeping it just because of a couple things that bug me a little bit. But overall it is a very pretty coat. It's not exactly the plaid I'm looking for, but it's not bad. So let me know what you guys think about this one. This is the Market and Spruce Tate shearling lined cargo jacket in black, size medium, and this is $98. Right off the bat, I think the price is excellent. It is lined with the shearling, super soft. I love the style. Like she says, you know, cargo jacket. You can cinch it in here. I think the fit is beautiful. I don't think I could layer too much underneath of here. It has to be pretty much just like a simple shirt or something, not too bulky of a sweater. Otherwise, it really wouldn't fit very well, but that's fine because it is lined with the shearling, and I think it's just beautiful. There's the back. So yeah, you can cinch in the waist. I really, really like this. I really want to keep it, but I don't like the material. Everything sticks to this material, and with having dogs, I really try to watch that because I don't want to be constantly rolling out my clothes every time I'm going to put them on. I don't know if you guys can see, but everything sticks to this and I just hate it. But if it wasn't for that, I would be keeping this because the price is right and I love the style, and I wouldn't mind another like little black, more casual type coat, but yet that you could dress up. So I love this option. I just absolutely hate the material. Just everything sticks to it, and even just sitting here, I'm picking up fuzz from you know, fur, and if you look at it closely, there's just a ton fuzz on it. So I'm really bummed about this. I do not like the material, but I like that it has a hood, and the hood is detachable for those of you that are wondering. But if you guys don't mind, you know, rolling out, here's some more stuff that's just stuck to it. I can't handle it. With having dogs, it's just, you got to have material that doesn't pick up every bit of fur in the house. So, you know, if you don't mind that, I think this is an awesome coat. I think, like I said, the price is right, but unfortunately, this one's going to have to go back. The last coat is this one right here. You guys, this material is amazing. This is the Lemon Tart Sabina Faux Fur Jacket in off-white, size medium, for $98. I don't think the price is bad. It is really unique. It's got some cool kind of pattern to the fur. So unbelievably soft. Unbelievable. Like I said, it is lined. There are some little pockets right here, super cute. It is a little bit more cropped. So I like it. I don't love it. And the reason being is it's a little fancier. It's a little dressier coat. I'm really looking for a teddy bear jacket, which is more casual, just kind of more fluffy, fun, a little bit longer, not so cropped. You guys probably, since you've been watching my videos, know what I'm talking about. So this is a gorgeous option, I think, for the holidays. If you're looking for a jacket like this to just throw on over a beautiful dress, awesome, awesome option. I just don't need it. I'm only going to one holiday party this year, so I really just don't need much in the way of, you know, some fancy outfit. It's unfortunate because I think it's really pretty. It's just not exactly what I'm looking for. And again, you guys know that I'm being really, really picky as to what I keep. I'm not just being, you know, frivolous and just buying every little thing that I like. I really have to love it, need it, or want it. So unfortunately, this one is going to go back, but it's a gorgeous and beautiful option, and for under $100, I think you can't go wrong. So here is one of the clothing items she sent, and it is a camo hoodie. There are no pockets. Threads for Thought Yanalia fleece lined hoodie in dark gray, size medium, for $58. So the price is right on. I don't think that's bad for a little hoodie. I think it's a good material. It's got a little hole here by your hand and the wrist, which I think is a cute option. I don't mind that it doesn't have pockets, although I think that would have been a cute option. It's got a little bit of detail right here. Couple things, I would have wanted this a little bit longer so I could wear it with leggings. I already got a Stitch Fix camo hoodie sweatshirt a couple fixes back that is a little bit shorter. It's not super long, so if this would have been longer, I'd be keeping it, no question. But I'm kind of on the fence. I do love the color and the pattern. It's completely different than the traditional camo sweatshirt that I did keep and get from Stitch Fix a couple months ago, so I like that. Good quality. It is super soft, fleece lined inside. Not like a heavy fleece or anything, but there is the inside. So I think it's a super cute option. I just don't think I need another shorter camo hoodie sweatshirt, but I'm not 100% yet, so we will see about this. Okay, lastly are the shoes, booties, whatever you want to call these, that she's talking about. These are the Mia Ida Wedge Bootie in taupe, size 7 for $69. I think the price is awesome. Again though, I did get a pair in my last trunk that I did keep, which I am loving and using all the time, so I love those. I probably would have kept these if I hadn't already had those, because I think these are a very cute, versatile option, and like she said, you know, the wedge isn't very high, so they are pretty comfortable, but they are too small on me, so I don't know if maybe the Mia brand runs a little small, but my toe hurts a little bit in the front, so I wouldn't have been able to keep these, but I may have been able to exchange them for a bigger size. So I don't know if they would have worked, because maybe the bigger size would have been too big, but they are super cute. I do love the little buckle option. They are just a pull-on boot, which I also can appreciate and do like. So if you're looking for a pretty inexpensive, cute, taupe colored bootie for fall, I think these are good. If you're in Stitch Fix, definitely ask your stylist for these, but keep in mind they might run a little bit small. I don't know if that's just me, but that was my experience with these. This was an expensive fix. This was subtotal of $441. It's probably been one of my highest ones in a while, so I can tell you right now I'm not keeping the entire box, and Michelle probably knew that going in. With my discount, 25%, if I buy everything, is $110.25. So my total would be $330.75 if I did keep everything. But I know I'm not going to. I'm not even sure yet if I am going to keep anything, but I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. So let me know what you guys thought about this fix. I'm still going to give it a big old thumbs up because Michelle came through and sent me everything I asked for. It just didn't quite hit my wants or style right now, but I love this box. I think it was a great fix, and I think she did an awesome job. So if you guys think so too, give me a thumbs up. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below so that I know what you guys think. So anyway, see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.